Have you looked in the mirror recently? Because you are stunning. Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about another accessory that is essential to us here on e-bike reviews and adventures. Now before we get started, welcome to the channel if you are new here. We have all sorts of content for everyone, from reviews on different e-bikes, minor maintenance tips, riding adventures, and other e-bike and e-trike related topics. Plus, there is a stuffed monkey named Stanley. So please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the fun. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm glad you are here. Now, today's topic is the Briskmore bar end bike mirrors. This is an essential accessory for your own safety and the safety of the others around you. So let's learn more about these mirrors that we rely on here on our channel. They are shatterproof convex glass bike mirrors that provide a crisp and clean reflection of your surroundings. They can rotate at 360 degrees, so the angle possibilities are endless. It's all about how you look at it. So this symmetrical octagonal shaped glass lens is scratch resistant and very durable. It's made with nylon, has a fiber frame, and a waterproof rubber ring to keep your handlebars dry inside. And it comes with a stainless steel screw for installing into the handlebars, and it has this structure that expands with its improved patent design. It is also very easy to install with a 4mm hex wrench, which is included in your package. There really is nothing to it. All right, so I'm trying to get creative here so that you guys get a good visual of what this packaging looks like. So opening it up right away, you can see that it got this foam padding. This is one of the mirrors. This is the right side mirror. This is the left side. Have a little plastic bag. It comes with a microfiber cloth that you can use to clean the mirrors. Yeah, look at that. And then in here, your 4mm hex wrench. So how you would use this, I'll move this out of the way. So right here, we have our stainless steel screw on the end of the mirror. You just insert your hex wrench and lefty-loosey. Let me turn that just a little bit. Okay. So this is now going to be easier and a little more flexible to maneuver so that you can get it into the handlebars. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick little demonstration. Here I have my 4mm hex wrench, and what I'm going to do is off camera, I'm going to turn this lefty-loosey. These were hollowed out already, so I didn't have to take a drill bit to these handlebars to make this hole. I just needed an X-Acto knife to take the rubber out so I could make room for the mirrors. Now let me see if I can do this one-handed. If I can do this one-handed, oh, look at that. Yep. Look at that. It's so easy. I did it with one hand while the other one was holding the camera. Guys, the installation is that simple. Now you just need to take that 4mm hex wrench and stick it into this stainless steel screw and righty-tighty. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. So if you liked it, please give me a big ol' thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We've got all sorts of content on this channel. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.